Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Company XYZ is planning to deploy primary and secondary disaster recovery data center sites. Each of these sites will have redundant SAN fabrics and data protection is expected between the data center sites. The sites are 100 miles, 160 kilometers apart and target RTO are 3 hours and 24 hours, respectively. Which two considerations must company XYZ bear in mind when deploying replication in their scenario? Choose 2. Option A. Target RTO requirements cannot be met due to the one-way delay introduced by the distance between sites. Option B. VSANs must be extended from the primary to the secondary site to improve performance and availability. Option C. VSANs must be routed between sites to isolate fault domains and increase overall availability. Option D. Synchronous data replication must be used to meet the business requirements. Option E. Asynchronous data replication should be used in this scenario to avoid performance impact in the primary site. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. VSANs must be routed between sites to isolate fault domains and increase overall availability. Option E. Asynchronous data replication should be used in this scenario to avoid performance impact in the primary site. Question 2. An architect receives a business requirement from a store that states the RTO and RPO for a new system should be as close as possible to 0. Which replication method and data center technology should be used? Option A. Synchronous replication over geographically dispersed dual data centers via MPLS. Option B. Synchronous replication over dual data centers via Metro Ethernet. Option C. Asynchronous replication over geographically dispersed dual data centers via CWDM. Option D. Asynchronous replication over dual data centers via DWDM. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Synchronous replication over geographically dispersed dual data centers via MPLS. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.